It's the end of May and we are going to open up our hive, remove our top feeder board, put another deep on, check and see how the queen is doing, if we're getting some capped brood or not. Hey, we got lots of bees walking around up on top here. Most of our sugar is depleted, and at this stage the bees don't really need any more sugar. Never seen the larvae out of their cells like that before. Okay, there's the queen right there. Okay, she's walking around. I see some capped cells here, so that's good. She's making her way there, possibly depositing some eggs. Okay, so that's a good thing. Following her along here on the cell. Okay, here's another frame. We see lots and lots of capped cells, so that's good news. That means we got a lot of bees that are hopefully going to hatch in a little while, so that's what we're looking for. Not seeing any tiny eggs in there from this group. Here's the flip side of this frame. Lots and lots of capped cells here too. That yellower color is the bee pollen. So I feel like they're doing pretty good in here. Pretty good in here. We will close this back up. We'll put another board on. We'll put another brood box on top and let them keep going. We're gonna stick this frame that has not a lot of bees on it inside in the middle. See if they'll start forming some cells on this and fill it up for us. So a lot of this bottom brood box is kind of full between honey and brood. So what we're going to do is put this other box on top. We got our queen excluder on here, and we're going to place this to give that queen a lot more space to climb up above and start laying some eggs. Okay, so bottom brood box is filling up pretty well. We are going to add the second brood box on. Got the queen excluder up. Should give her plenty of room to roam up here and start laying some eggs up on top also. There's plenty of honey in there too, so we don't need the top feeder anymore. That's off. Bees are kind of on their own for now.